How to create a chain in Blender. First, press Shift+A, go to Mesh, and add a torus. Now go to Edit Mode, enable X-ray mode, select half of the torus parts, and press G+X to move along the X-axis. Now your basic shape is ready. Press Shift+A, go to Curves, and select a path curve. Select this curve's point and create gaps like this. Now select the chain object, right-click, and select Shade Smooth. Go to the Modifier tab and add an Array modifier. Then change the Fit type to Fit Curve. Then click the drop icon and select the curve path. Now again, go to the Modifier tab and add a Curve modifier. Then click the drop-down icon and select the curve path again. Press Shift+A, go to the Empty section and add a Plane Axis Empty. Now select this object and go to the Modifier tab. In the Array modifier, enable the Object Offset property. Click the drop icon and select the empty. Then rotate this empty by pressing RX90 to rotate the chain 90 degrees. Now move this empty along the X-axis like this, and your chain model is ready. Select the curve path point in Edit mode, then press E to extrude it, and create your shape like this. Now go to the Shading panel, go to the Blender Kit Material tab, search for a metal material and add it. Now your chain is ready. You just learned a new tip. And don't forget, follow for more.